Good morning to those of you who are just waking up in the Pacific Coast, and good afternoon, good evening to those of you who are in Europe. Thank you for spending your happy hour with us today. I hope everybody has their coffees and teas and cocktails and mocktails and water bottles, what have you. We're going to have a wild ride today. Actually, not really, no. But we will at least try to keep you happy during happy hour. For those of you who couldn't join us for the past 2 days, I want to let you know that we had some really good talks and really interesting discussions about ontology tools and ontology mappings and about the community in general. We looked at some projects that generated and investigated fair data using ontologies. We even looked at what fairness means and how to deal with not so fair data or how to handle fair data. And today, I hope that we can look forward a little bit more. But first, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the basics. And as you heard, I think a couple of times by now, OntolBridge is a collaborative project among University of Miami, Stanford University, and Collaborative Drug Discovery. And we build an API along with a standalone and integrated tools for evolving ontologies faster and in a semi-automated way. So one of our aims when we started thinking about the project was to connect with the community and understand the needs better from the start. So I hope that we're doing that with this workshop a little bit better. I would like to thank very much to my fellow organizers, Samantha and Asia. Really, they made it possible. And to our conference chairs, Stefan Schurer and Mark Mussen. I also would like to thank the audience. The audience have been very engaging in the past 2 days, and I hope that will just continue to trend today. So you can find the discussion documents and other conference materials on the conference page on the Git. But just to recap a little bit, in the past 2 days, we talked about the needs for synergizing the biomedical ontologies and the community, communications and workflows between ontology developers and users, ontology mappings, the current state, and challenges and tools that are being built. We also looked at other development tools and repositories, and we talked a great deal about, how we can move forward together. Today we're gonna look some more use cases and tools, mostly short talks. We do not have breakout sessions today.